Picture this. You describe a YouTube video, and an AI stack builds it. No Premiere timeline, no stock photo scavenger hunt. This is the one-time origin story. Wire up the tools once, and after that, you're mostly just prompting. Let's start with Claude Code. Homebase, Anthropic's browser workspace where your project lives and where you'll talk to Claude all day. Open it, pick your project, land in your workspace. Everything we're about to add plugs into this room. That brings us to Remotion, your video engine. React becomes scenes, a player, and eventually a finished MP4. Head to remotion.dev, copy npx create video at latest, run it in your terminal inside Claude Code, and you've got a project skeleton. Now you want to see it breathe. Fire up Remotion Studio, npm run dev, and the preview opens. Scrub frame by frame. Feel the pacing. This is how you know it's working before you commit to a render. For every graphic, icons, thumbnails, scene art, you'll lean on Gemini through Google AI Studio. Describe it in words. It paints it. Grab your API key at aistudio.google.com, then paste it into settings under Google Gemini. For the voice, ElevenLabs is the move. Your script becomes natural narration with timestamps so every scene locks to the audio. Sign up at ElevenLabs.io, copy your API key, add it in settings, and use 11v3 with emotion tags like "and" so the read never sounds flat. Quick habit before we go further. Drop both keys in a .env.local file at the project root. Gemini, ElevenLabs, done. Never commit that file. All right, setup's behind you. From here on, it's creation. Ask Claude to generate images, icons, photos, whatever the story needs, and Gemini drops the files right into your project. Same flow for audio. Turn your script into speech in ElevenLabs, pull back a timed MP3, and every scene knows when to cut. Now the vibe coding loop. Ask Claude to write your Remotion scenes, layout, motion, captions, while the player updates live. Tweak the prompt, scrub again, until it feels right. When you're happy, hit render. Code becomes frames. Frames become an MP4 in your out folder, a real file ready to ship. Last mile, YouTube. Two paths. Connect your channel once through Google Cloud Console OAuth and publish from the editor, or skip OAuth, download the MP4, and upload on YouTube Studio. Your call. Drag it into the upload box, watch the bar climb, and you're live. That's the payoff. That's the whole pipeline. Wire it once, then the next video is just you and Claude. Vibe code your next one. Subscribe for more.